everybody. Sorry, I'm downstairs. Decided to change locations. Sorry the lighting is kind of off. Lamp behind me, lamp over here, and window over here. So just worry about. Yes, we still have our Christmas decorations up. Don't judge. Not all of it, but it's just some. Anyways, um, I'm going to do my Birchbox. Found a guide today. Yeah. So let's see what Birchbox is. Really cute. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Um, this month I have 8 products. Shocking. Anyway, so Birchbox is changing, and this is what they're doing. Um, Great value, more choices, new brands, and they're just changing up, making it Birchbox better. You know, yeah. Anyways, so this is what I have. Let's get started. So Birchbox actually brought the tissue paper back. Love it, because when you open it up, you're like, oh my god. Okay. And then you get this $15% thing. Definitely going to do that. Alright. We have, go by here. Where am I? Your name is, okay. Okay. I got this brand. I got multiple brands. I get the same brands that I get from Birchbox, so I know that they're good. I like them, and they keep coming at me. That's good. Anyways, this is a tinted moisturizer or cream, whichever is tinted. PF 25 in light medium. Full size is $22. So this is what it came in. And the product is right here, but I'm going to show you this. So this is what this is. And it says right there. So that's that. And here's the actual product. It just came out of the container. So that's that. And this is the color I have. Definitely my color. I get a little bit darker in the summer, but that's a good combination color. Alright, next is, let's go to this 100% pure green tea EGCG, whatever that is. I can say this is like a moisturizer. Yeah, it's a moisturizer. It's of course has green tea. It heals and prevents skin like damage. I have some dry skin spots. So that's good. Good size. Really good size. And I like the application part. Anyways, this is full size. It's $45. That's not bad. Excuse me. Excuse me. Anyways, next is Echo, whatever brand it is. Skinny liner, liquid liner. I don't use these, so I'm going to give this to my sister. This is a sample size. I also have it in the skinny, but it's full size from Birchbox. And then I have the fat one that's also from this company, but I'm giving it to my sister because I don't use these. And I love the look of it. I can't. But the full size of it, this is also black, by the way. As you can tell, it's just black. Um, the full size is $22. So yeah, that's only one thing that I'm not keeping. Alright, next is this Love of Color. I think, yeah. It's a liquid shimmer eyeshadow. Doesn't say. Oh, Escape. That's what it is? Oh, okay. So the color name is Escaped. I can't really read it because it's really small print and it really hurts my eyes. Full size $10. Ooh, that's not bad. I'm just going to get more of these. Oh my god, I'm going to swatch this for you guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So that's that. That's very pretty. That look good on me. So that's that color. It's like metal, like a pink metal or something. Anyways, and then we have Tarte. This is Tarte's glossy lip paint in Taken. Full size is 20. That's not bad. So it's pretty color. Love the packaging. Only thing I don't like is the application. Like that's a lot of that's a lot of product. But it's very pretty color. It really moves. So it's really movable. Look at that. And not really good doing swatches, but that's pretty color. That'd be so pretty on me, especially with the eyeshadow. Good combination together. That'd be a good look. All right, the last three things is a Love Curl collection. So I had the purple one, and then I had the blue one from this company, and now they came out with the curl one for curly and fine curls or something that whatever for all curly hair types. So this is the shampoo. This is the conditioner. And this is the hair mask. So I'm so stoked. Okay. I'm so stoked that I'm trying out the curl line. Because of my, natural hair. See if this works with my hair. If I like it. Nah. That's why I saved the last because it's set. So yeah. It's really good brand. I like the purple one. It was good for my hair. The blue one I gave to my mom because it's not meant for me, but I like to share my products. Okay, so there. I hope you guys like what I got for Birchbox, especially the makeup portion. So stoked. So yeah. Sorry. I'm on my mom's table thing, so there. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah, I think that's about it. I love what I got for Birchbox. I like that Birchbox is changing and listen to the customers and bring out really good stuff. Yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys maybe tomorrow. Bye, guys.